Hello grade 4, how are you this morning? I hope you're always happy, fine and great. Today is Tuesday, so we're back to English lesson with me. Okay friends, today we're gonna talk about getting around. Getting around, it means bepergian. Okay, so friends, please keep watching this video and let's get started. Before we start our study, please pay attention to these vocabularies. Perhatikan kosakata berikut ini. Fasten your seatbelt. Fasten your seatbelt, it means ikatkan atau pasangkan sabuk pengaman. Stick your hand out of the window. Keluarkan tanganmu dari jendela. Friends, please, you're not allowed to stick your hand out of the window when you were in the car. Teman-teman, kalian tidak diperbolehkan untuk mengeluarkan tangannya dari jendela ketika di dalam mobil. 'Cause it's so dangerous, okay? Karena ini berbahaya. Leave. Leave artinya pergi atau berangkat. Arrive. Arrive, it means tiba atau sampai. Helmet. Helmet, it means helm. And handlebars. Handlebars, it means stang atau pegangan kemudi. Pavement. Pavement, it means trotoar. Then zebra crossing. Zebra crossing, it means area penyeberangan untuk pejalan kaki. Okay friends, after this, please pay attention to the conversation. Perhatikan percakapan setelah ini.
Where are you going to go?
Kemana kamu akan pergi?
I'm going to go to the park.
Aku akan pergi ke taman.
How are you going to get there?
Bagaimana kamu akan pergi ke sana?
By bike.
Dengan menggunakan sepeda.
What time are you going to leave?
Jam berapa kamu akan berangkat?
At 9:55.
Pada pukul 9:55. Okay friends, and after this, please pay attention to the conversation in the classroom. Perhatikan percakapan yang ada di sebuah ruangan kelas. You can see it in your student's book on page 54. Kalian bisa melihatnya di buku student's book kalian di halaman 54.
Good morning, class. Tomorrow we're going to go on a school trip.
Selamat pagi kelas, besok kita akan jalan-jalan sekolah.
Where, Mrs. Amna?
Kemana Miss Amna?
We're going to visit the zoo.
Kita akan mengunjungi kebun binatang.
Wow! How are we going to get there?
Wow, bagaimana kita akan pergi ke sana?
By bus.
Dengan menggunakan bus.
How long does it take by bus?
Berapa lama dengan menggunakan bus?
It takes about 40 minutes, Mariam.
Ini akan selama sekitar 40 menit.
What time does the bus leave?
Jam berapa bus akan berangkat?
The bus leaves at 10:10 in the morning.
Busnya akan berangkat pada pukul 10:10 di pagi hari.
So, we're going to arrive at the zoo at 10:50. Right, Mrs. Amna?
Jadi, kita akan tiba di kebun binatang pada pukul 10 lebih 50 menit. Betul kan, Miss Amna?
Yes, Mariam. Is that all?
Yes, Mariam. Sudah semua?
Yes. Thank you, Mrs. Amna.
Ya, terima kasih, Miss Amna. Okay, friends, from that we can learn the points of the conversation. Jadi, dari itu semua kita bisa melihat poin-poin atau pokok dari percakapan tersebut. Such are, how are we going to get there? How? Bagaimana kita akan pergi ke sana? By bus, car, bike, train, plane, or on foot. Dengan menggunakan bus, mobil, sepeda, kereta, pesawat, atau dengan berjalan kaki, on foot. How long does it take? Berapa lama? How long? Berapa lama perjalanannya? 20 minutes, 20 menit. Or it takes 20 minutes. What time does the bus leave or arrive? What time? What time berarti menanyakan waktu. Jam berapa atau pukul berapa? Does the bus leave akan berangkat or arrive akan tiba. It leaves ini akan berangkat. It arrives ini akan tiba. At, you answer the time. Kalian jawabnya dengan menggunakan waktu. Okay friends, that's all for today. This is the English Talks today. Berikut ini tugas English hari ini. Please do the exercise in your student's book in page 55. The activity 2 and 4. Activity 2 dan 4. For activity 2, you can see from the conversation in the Mariam's classroom. Nah, untuk activity 2, teman-teman bisa melihat di percakapan yang ada di ruangan kelasnya Mariam. And for activity 4, you make a planning. Nah, untuk activity 4, teman-teman membuat rencana. Oke? Imagine you're going to somewhere. Nah, teman-teman bayangkan akan pergi ke suatu tempat. So, you make a plan about date, tanggal berapa perginya, going to, akan pergi kemana, going by, pergi menggunakan, I leave at, akan berangkat pada pukul, I arrive at, akan tiba pada pukul. Because it's still study from home, so you don't need to ask your friend about their planning, tentang rencana mereka. So, it's only about you. Fill in the table about you. Jadi, kalian mengisinya hanya di tabel tentang kalian saja. Okay friends, that's all. Thank you and see you. Goodbye.